Okay, y'all, I am going to talk to you real quick because I'm doing an unboxing. I'm so excited. So excited. I got the big box here. Been tracking UPS all day. You can track them. I wonder if that makes them feel like they're being, what's that word? Stalked. What if they feel like they're being stalked? I hope they don't. Anyway, I'm not after them. I'm after their box. Okay, so what am I unboxing? My gift to me, every once in a while when I do some like big thing, and I have a financial reward, I will reward myself. After making sure bills are paid, hubby is taken care of with any kind of treat I can get for him. I do try to put others first, and then I say, okay, then you're worthy of getting yourself a little treat. And y'all know what's my favorite treat? Ooh. Here it goes. Okay, so this is how it's in the box. It is a bag in the box. And obviously down in the bottom is the paperwork. Who cares? I know you don't want to see that. It obviously comes in a nice bag. This is British. It's from England. It is Mulberry. And I'm unboxing it in front of you, hoping it's not too small, hoping it's not too big, hoping it's just right. I really love having things from England. I have one STRATHBERRY, and this is my only other English piece, truly from, it is an English brand. Mulberry is an English brand. Some people say, you know, it's had its time. No, it hasn't. It's a classic. It's like, I mean, it's never going to go out of style to have a Mulberry. And this one just looks like a bag that I would love. Okay, it's looking like it's a decent size. I didn't want it too large because I'll overstuff it. I don't want it too small where it won't hold my stuff. So let's just hope. I'm going to pull it right out. Rather than do the usual where people think about it and talk about it. And you're going, yeah, where is it? I got it in a deep wine. What do they call it? Aubergine, or what do they call it? OXBLOOD. That's what they call it. In England, they call it OXBLOOD. Here it is. That's a good size. I think that's a good size. I liked it because it has the rolled handles. It's a nice smelling leather. It's not like Fry. There's nothing like the smell of Fry. But anyway, it's a thinner pieced leather. No, it's not. It's actually pretty thick. Okay, where's the scissors? What did I do with the scissors, y'all? We're not finished. Why did I put the scissors up thinking I'm done? I'm not. So it's rolled handles, which I like, because I looked at a bunch of different kinds of things. I didn't want to go overboard. This is not an overboard piece. What am I trying to say here? The invoice is in there, so I don't even remember, but I do remember this. It's not ultra luxury where you're going to be making payments. This is paid for. And I'm getting the tissue paper off this and pulling the little, do you hear Bree? She's just wanting me to kick that ball. Oh, she's a baby. You can see her two little front paws together like this and her little nose between. It's so cute. There's your ball. Alright, so it also has a little piece of plastic on the actual turn piece. And so in tiny little writing you see the word Mulberry. And there is the other piece that you pull off, a little plastic to protect this. And then when you open it, this comes off. And all this is just to make sure it doesn't get rubbed, I guess, in shipping. Which should tell you something. If something's rubbed in shipping, that tells you as you wear the bag. I'm sorry, let me get this up here because that's what you want to look at, not me. As you wear the bag, those are the places that it's going to wear, or it wouldn't have that on there. So just keep that in mind. Just kind of, I do have a leather product, a leather strengthener cleaner. It's like a moisturizer. And you can either leave that undone for a more casual look, or you can have a real polished, organized look and go ahead and put it back together. The other thing I liked about this, there was one size larger. I think it would have been too large, y'all. I think this is a good size for me. I do. I think it will perfectly fit my organizer. And the reason I like this is because it is a zip top. And it does have the option of the shoulder strap, which we're just going to go ahead and snip into that as well. I'm cutting left-handed, which is not wise. It's not going to even work that way, Beth. Did you just see I almost put my eye out? I'm trying to hurry because I know y'all don't, well, not hurry. Y'all don't want me to hurry. It's like, nah, take take your time. We will look at this thing. Right? There we go. Okay. There it is. So here's the strap. I'm just going to go ahead and put that on there because, yes, I definitely would always want a strap on. Even though if I carry it on the crux of my arm, you know, I want to know that if I have to grab, you know, if I want to carry it on the crux of my arm like that, again, it's a perfect size for that. I want to know that I can just throw it over my shoulder when I need to. So I do leave the strap on. I don't put it inside. Usually. It's got a good bit of stuffing, so let's just get it out. I really do love the color. This is one of those colors like black or gray that just will go with anything. It's almost like a nude. In that it's neutral. It'll go with anything. It'll go with black, it'll go with navy, it'll go with gray, it'll go with other colors. I mean, even bright colors like yellow, because this deep burgundy would just be pretty on a yellow or with just about with anything. I really do like it. I think it's interesting that this goes down. It kind of mimics or reminds me of a Hermes, which goes straight across, and you see it kind of V's down. It doesn't stay level. I don't think it's supposed to, but I don't care. I like it. I absolutely love the burst. Inside, it's all one big drop, except for it's suede, real suede inside. One pocket, and this should be the authentication card with serial number and a inspector number. When was the last time you saw that? Inspector 1 and Inspector P26CK. 2 inspectors have looked at this. Now, what's the easy part of this? Let me just show you. It'll take a minute, so just be patient. Be patient with me, because I think I have it in here. Where to do with it? I'm going to take all of this out of the way. I hope I don't break my neck, because I've got cords everywhere, because I'm working. Okay. So y'all know that I've been carrying my fry bag, a much more casual bag. This is a very worn leather. It's supposed to be. It's like a baseball glove or a pair of fry boots. The smell of it's wonderful. Y'all know I added my little llama here. But this is what's great about this. Having a bag organizer. You grab the organizer, literally, watch this, grabbing it out of the bag. This is now empty. This looks like it should be able to fit. Let's just see. How does it go? How's it going in there? Yep, went right in. Done. Changed bags. People are like, Beth, you change bags so much. I could never do that. What a hassle. Excuse me, was that a hassle at all? At all. That was zero hassle. So easy. And I'm ready to go with this bag, and I'm so excited. There we go. Again, that's the look of it. Here's the back. I would say this is a very substantial feeling purse. Again, I don't know if this is supposed to be tighter on the front. Let me see if it is through here. No. And this is supposed to be straight up like that. See how it dips? I don't know if that's a quality issue or not, but I really don't care. I like it just fine that it drops, because I think it would look too much like my other bags if it was straight across. I kind of like that it drops. But I don't know if it's supposed to be tight enough that it pulls straight like that. Do y'all think? I don't know. I'll have to look at other Mulberries. I've never had one. But I'm very excited about having a British bag. Did you think that it absolutely had gone backward? It hasn't. Hold on, I did just notice something. That if you pull this, let's see. Oh, it does. So if you pull it, it does hold it up more. I don't know. I don't know that I want it not to fall a little bit. I don't want it completely straight across, because it just looks like any other bag that way. Anyway, it says Mulberry, England. It's a beautiful leather, really beautiful coloring, beautiful texture. I'm going to try to get it close to you so you can see. Again, the handles are the rolled handles, which I love. I think that's very, very comfortable. And to me, it's really classy. I have some flat handles, like my Louis Vuitton that my husband got me. It's a flat handle. And I remember thinking the only thing I wish it had was rolled handles. But anyway, so I do like it. I think it will be so easy. Let's see what the drop is on it. Where does it drop on me? Perfect, perfect. Right at my hip. Can y'all see that? right at my hip. So that is perfect to be able to go down in and, you know, mooch around in there. And look how this just fits down in there perfectly. That is the clover sack. I've done more than one kind of tutorial on using a cul-de-sac. Oh, by the way, that noise in the background just hit me. It's going to be in a few of my videos today. That's my little fireplace over there. It has a heating unit in it, so I hope that doesn't bother you. If it does, I'm sorry because I'm cold. It says mulberry on, I think it's mulberry, but you know, from the South we say mulberry, on the actual hooks as well. Again, you don't have to have this on. I always leave it. I just let it, you know, drop. It's crinkled up right now, but over time using it, that will just fall, the wrinkles will fall out. But I really like it. I'm so excited, y'all. So tell me, what do you think? Do you like it? Do you like that this droops down, or should it stay up? Again, if I pulled this, it would stay up. So I think if I overstuffed this, it would actually pull these more, and that would stay up more. See? Now it's staying up more. I don't know. Either way's fine. That's not an issue for me, so I don't know how y'all feel about that. Comment below. Comment, what do you think about this color, this beautiful OXBLOOD? It's a deep, deep wine or burgundy color, deep, deep color. And they call it OXBLOOD in the line. So anyway, that's my unboxing, and that was for real. Just got it. Had to wait for a number of things at the house today. And the nice piece was, I also thought, well, it's a good thing because I think this has to be a signature on delivery because it is a mulberry. And so I was here when they delivered it, and I just ran and got it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys again soon. I'm just going to let you see the purse instead of me, because that always annoys me when people talk and talk and they don't let you see the product. So here's the product. I hope you like it. You can see it all. And enjoy!